Hi, Faze. Hi, guys. I'm so excited. I miss you guys like crazy. Just taking up the camera, knowing that I'm gonna talk to you guys is exciting. How are you guys? It's been a minute. I know. But I feel like vlogging right now, so I'm doing just that. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the Fam Bam. If it's your first time, catch and keep up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Look where we are.
In the garage. And hi.
My kids has been asking to bike since forever and they haven't been able to. So I decided that today I am home. So why not take them to the garage and let them exercise those little legs? So there they Princess being princess as usual. On her little four-wheel. And Tyler is coming around the corner. Look at him, somewhere around there. Come on, let's go. Tyler needs to get a bigger bike. And he's outgrown this bike so much. Tyler's still scared to bike a bit, but you'll get there. You actually have a bike exam at school to do soon, so I think that's what motivates him to want to bike. He's been asking to bike. So, ow, my knee hurts. So they're in the garage biking. Tyler, don't go in the cracks, pumpkin. Remember, wherever you put the bike, that's where it will go. You're the pilot of your own bike. I didn't tell her to bike on me. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
What happened?
No, it's I wanted to tell you. I don't know if you know, but in April, I think we're going to do a bike test.
Yeah, I know. That's what I just told Faze. Yeah, I know. So you need to practice some more because you're still a bit shaky when you're riding. So you're gonna come and bike as often as you can. Okay?
Okay.
Sit up normal on your bike, man. Don't lean to the side. And the garage is so long that they can get to bike at each end. Sarah, soon mama need to start teach you without the little wheels on it. So you'll be able to ride with two wheels like Tyler.
Yes. Like a big girl.
Like a big girl, exactly.
I think it's the first time I'm doing well.
You need to bike some more. I need to raise up the seat of this bike also. Probably it will help a bit. When the sun come out, we're going outside. Princess for sure not scared at all. Look at her. She love her bike. Anyway, guys, what have you guys been up to? Tell me all about it. You guys haven't talked to me in so long. Work has been killing me. I've been working, and going gym and doing self-care and taking care of me as per usual. That hasn't changed one bit. So it's work, gym, taking care of the kids and the husband and myself. That's been just all that I've been up to. Nothing new. We'll be going on vacation soon. We'll be going on vacation in a month. So I know you guys will be excited to be on that journey with us. So I'm going to ask you guys now, where do you think we'll be going on vacation? So to give you guys a clue, to make it a little bit easier for you guys, we'll be going to 3 different countries in this vacation. You guys know how we do vacation. We like to do the vacations long and make the most of it and see as much sights and take the kids on as much adventure as possible. So in a month we'll be going on vacation. Tell me down below in the comment section which 3 countries do you think we'll be heading to. Okay? Anyway, you guys, I forget that today is Valentine's Day. No, I didn't forget, but I forget to wish you guys happy Valentine's Day. And babe got me a flower that is a rose that will never die. I already have one that his father gave me years ago and I love them. So I'm happy for this one. Literally won't die. Let me show you the one that my father-in-law gave me. Say hello. I'm gonna turn the camera and show you this one. My father-in-law gave me this rose about, oh my gosh, before Sarah was born.
Oh yeah, it was in the other apartment.
Long time, probably when Tyler was a year old. I got this.
It was in the other apartment.
Babe said when we used to live close to Paris, I got this, and it still didn't die.
And Nice, the first one in Nice.
Ah, okay. Tyler was still 1. You guys haven't seen babe in a long time. I made babe a plate of chocolate, strawberries.
It's okay, take it somewhere else.
Honey, say hello to the faves.
Yes, yes. I was expecting Sarah, not Tyler. Hi guys.
You gonna eat it up?
Oh, well, look, is the kids eat it up, so with the help of everybody we will. You want one?
No, you know I'm not a fan of strawberries. Oh my gosh, baby, put that entire... Oh my gosh, he put the entire thing in his mouth. That's so funny. Hi guys, a quick update for you guys. It's the following day and we are having dinner at our favorite spot. We love it with Chinese. But then we're gonna leave dinner when we're heading to Carnival. It is right outside literally, so we're in the center of Nice. And Nice have one of the biggest carnival in France each year. And it's our first time going inside the stands to experience this. I'm so looking forward to it. The theme this year for the carnival is ocean, the sea. So, you excited? Sarah, say hi. The kids are in their costume.
What costume is the princess and Tyler Harry Potter?
Well, there you have it. I didn't have to. I didn't have to let you guys know what's up with the costume, but Sarah give it the whole rundown. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna head out so that we're full when we're inside. Let me show you what we're having. A mix of Nem's spicy rice, chicken, and we like to call this dumplings. I have no idea what is the correct word for it. But yeah, everybody is digging in and we're gonna head out. Eat! It's not a photo, it's a video. It's not a photo. You can eat. She's photo ready. Somebody talking about her photo behind me?
Yes. And they're talking about me.
Talking about you?
Like, I heard regarde tes gueules. Il y a quelqu'un derrière nous, il est déguisé en Harry Potter.
Oh. And what she dressed in?
After she spun dice.
No, what is she dressed in?
I think it's princess. And the boy beside Spider-Man.
We're on our way going in. Where's my princess? My princess, I got you. We're going in. We're in the queue. It's freezing and it will be freezing. We'll be outside for the next 3-4 hours in this cold. So we have to go through all of this to get to our seats. You can see the circle, the wheel turning. We'll finish eat and we're trying to get to our seats. So that's what we're doing right now. We're heading in.
Les bras au ciel, tout le monde de gauche à droite, de droite à gauche. On va plus vite, attention. Ouais, c'est passé fort. Plus fort public de 10 maintenant. Attention, on va sauter, on va marquer le rythme maintenant. Plus fort, plus fort, plus fort, plus fort. On me dit que c'est Jean Jaurès qui réagit le mieux pour l'instant. Vous pouvez éteindre, vous pouvez écarter de la batterie encore, mais oui. Qu'est-ce qu'on me dit? On me dit que c'est Max Gallo qui a joué le jeu. Le petit Vélum, il va falloir réagir évidemment tous ensemble, ainsi que donc notre tribune Jean Jaurès, on va essayer de faire le maximum, c'est promis. Attention. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On se fait une hola juste pour voir, pour le plaisir, avant de relancer la machine. Oui, allez, on va se faire une hola. C'est très simple. Le but de la hola est très simple. C'est la vague mexicaine, comme on le dit. Ah oui, vous allez pouvoir vous lever, libérer votre colonne d'air, crier le plus fort possible, en tendant les bras bien au ciel. On va partir du bas de la place Masséna, du côté d'Apollo. Nous allons remonter jusqu'au petit Vélum. Nous allons passer les deux tribunes et revenir sur la tribune Jean. Tribune Jean Jaurès, saluez donc notre digne monarque, roi des océans, en le saluant, en vous levant, en lançant des... de la reine. Regardez, c'est ici des photos partagées avec le monde entier, notamment les réseaux sociaux et notamment le hashtag I love Nice ou Nice Carnaval. Et regardez donc, mais également de droite à gauche à droite, les bras plus haut, plus haut, plus haut. Attention à 3, vous allez crier le plus fort possible, attention, tout place Masséna. Pour accueillir au mois de juin ici à Nice le fameux traité de Nice pour la préservation de la faune et de la flore marine. C'est cela donc avec un sommet international où tous les chefs d'État viendront à Nice au mois de juin pour signer ce fameux traité pour préserver au maximum. Qui vous invite à danser, arrivera-t-elle à vous faire bouger? Tribune Max Gallo, êtes-vous toujours aussi performant dans les décibels? De droite à gauche, est-ce que vous arriverez à passer de main en main ces fameux ballons qui vont s'élancer dans quelques instants? Êtes-vous prêts?
So we just got back home and you guys didn't get to see Tyler costume because he gone to use the toilet. But the carnival was amazing. We had such a good time. Yes?
When I was here, I saw that sound.
That's okay. Is
Okay,
the water
show you
coming
it.
down? Go with Papa. Nice Carnival is considered one of the best carnival in the world, and it's the second time we're going, but it's the first time we're going inside the stands, and the experience was super good. Sometimes it happens. Anyway, you guys, we are ending. I am ending the vlog. I have work in the morning, and it's 11:35 p.m. I'm supposed to be in bed. But Carnival was worth it. Anyway, had a good time. Who else had a good time at Carnival?
I did.
Only one? Only two?
Sarah, tu t'es bien amusée?
Oui.
Des confettis.
She said
I'm
it
sure
was
we're gonna
very
find
good.
some
Yeah, the
confetti inside the
confetti.
house.
They had confetti everywhere. You have balloons everywhere. You have all kind of things everywhere. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, which I know you did, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow!
say tomorrow. Sarah,
Maybe tomorrow.
Sarah said tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tyler said tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow. See
Bye guys.
Bye bye. Be great to see.